Partner acupressure is something that can be done for many different therapeutic reasons. Today, we're going to do partner acupressure for stress relief, to decrease anxiety, and for overall calming. I will show you 4 different acupoints for calming. The first one is called Conception Vessel 17, also called the Seas of Tranquility point. To find this point, feel your partner's sternum. It goes all the way down to there. Halfway in between is the point, and as you feel the sternum, you'll feel little divots. Put your middle finger in the divot and your other fingers in the divots below and above. So CV17 is the center one, and you're also hitting CV16 and 18. CV stands for conception vessel. Have your partner breathe in and out slowly 10 times, or about 2 minutes. This point is good for people who have panic attacks or anxiety attacks, or if you're stressed out driving in traffic, or you're nervous about a job interview. You can find this point on yourself and hold it, or have your partner do this for you. The next 3 points for calming are called Gallbladder 20, which is the gates of consciousness, Governing Vessel 16, and Bladder 10, Heavenly Pillar. Gallbladder 20 is a calming point for the mind. Gallbladder 20 is found just at the base of the skull, and you can take your fingers like this and push up. If your fingers hurt doing that, you can use thumb and pointer and pull up on your partner's skull. Have them breathe in slowly and deeply for 10 to 20 breaths or 2 minutes. If you have a clock, you can watch the time for your partner so they're getting the therapeutic effect. Governing Vessel 16 in the center is in that kind of little pit or hole right at the base of the skull, and you can feel that hole right there. You feel a vertebrae there, and above that is where this point is. You can use a thumb like this, and it's also called the medulla point. It balances the nervous system. Hold this point while your partner breathes 10 to 20 times, slow, deep breaths, or 2 minutes. The fourth and final point for calming is B10, and this is 1 finger width from the edge of the spine. You can feel the spine, and on either side, so just below the skull cap and above there, right in the center of the neck on either side. This is called Heavenly Pillar. It's a point for calming the mind and body and for balance. These points need to be open. That way it'll heal you from chronic neck tension and any other tensions that you're holding. It can be massaged or just held. Another way to hit this point is to take your thumb and index fingers, and kind of squeeze towards the spine. So it's kind of a downward and inward pressure. You can feel the muscles here. Firm pressure. When you hold this for 2 minutes, or about 10 to 20 breaths, it gives your partner a very relaxing and calming feeling.